Hey guys, it's Shrija here. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make an amazing DIY fluffy cotton candy slime. I hope you enjoy the video and be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, for this slime you will need glue. So guys, as it is a fluffy slime, you will need some shaving cream and also you can use shaving foam. And then you are gonna need some lotion. You can use any lotion as it makes the slime really stretchy. Guys, then you need to add some cornstarch. You can keep it white, but if you want to make it colorful, you can add any color. You can use watercolor, food coloring. So I use some watercolor, pink watercolor. I wanted my slime to be very light pink colored. If you are going to make your slime with some lens solution, of course you will need some baking powder. So add it before adding your lens solution and mix it till it becomes slimy in texture. Here is my DIY fluffy cotton candy slime all completed. It turned out to be really awesome and I hope you'll enjoy the video and be sure to try this slime at home and also leave some comments.